Hello everyone, I want to add this quick video into the course because I think it could be useful to know that the X algorithm loves conversations. What I mean by that is when your conversation with someone on a tweet is long, and by long I mean more than 4 interactions, it signals to the algorithm that the content is highly engaging and valuable. And this is normal since X wants people to spend as much time as possible on the platform, so the longer conversations are prioritized. And the reason why I'm telling you this is that if you want to maximize your amount of impression and your visibility on X, you must reply in a way that will trigger more replies. One time it happened to me that I had a long conversation with someone on a viral tweet, and even though my reply didn't have lots of likes, the fact that people interacted with it placed it at the very top of the replies for this tweet. So if you want to maximize your impressions, try to create lasting conversation with lots of interactions. This is applicable for your own tweets, but also for the replies you will post on the other tweets. So instead of dropping a great post or I agree, ask a genuine follow-up question. Your goal shouldn't just be to get a like, your goal should be to get a reply. If you think about it this way, you'll see that you'll get much more impressions.